Hey guys, today we are showing you how to make garlic chicken legs in the Instant Pot.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun. That butter just brown that chicken right up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes at crock.com.
I am Mikey from recipes.crock.com.
And today we are here to show you a quick and easy Instant Pot recipe you can make in any electric pressure cooker. If you don't have an electric pressure cooker, we also have a crock pot version where we use chicken
Link down below.
thighs instead of chicken legs.
But you can use legs if you want.
Yeah, you can do it either way. But what this is garlic chicken legs in an Instant Pot. So that's what, it's quick, it's easy, it's yummy. We're going to show you an extra step you can take at the end if you'd like to crisp up the skin a little bit. But for right now, what we have is about 4 pounds of chicken legs down in our 6-quart Instant Pot.
And look at him just dancing around.
Yes. And we're going to make a yummy little butter sauce right now we have a cup of melted butter.
Yep, make sure she's all melted up. Try not to break your bowls.
Trying not to. We've got a cup of that, and what do I need to add to it?
You need to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder.
We can do that.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then you need 2 teaspoons of garlic salt.
There we go.
Did
we mention this is garlic chicken?
Yeah, there's a little bit of garlic in this.
It tastes very yummy.
And it scares the vampires away. Now you need 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
We can do that.
You need 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. That's going to make it pretty. You need 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro leaves. You need 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You went the wrong way.
Regular
I set that up wrong. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So, you know, about 7 twists. 6, 7, 8, 9.
We just do whatever.
That works too. It was still an odd number. And then you need 1/4 teaspoon
we're just gonna
of
dip
red
just
pepper.
a little bit in here.
Ground red pepper, yeah, just a little bit. That's going to give just a little bit of heat, but not a lot. Now just whisk it together. Just like that. Look at all them pretty colors go together. And then the real hard part. Once you get it whisked up, before everything settles, dump it right on that chicken. Just like that. Now, my question to you, oh guru of the Instant Pots, with a cup of butter in there, is that enough liquid, or do we need to add liquid to that?
No, that's the reason we started out melted. We've tested this a couple times, and our Instant Pot has always went up to pressure. If yours struggles at all, or if you're using a larger than 6-quart electric pressure cooker, you could add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth in there if you wanted to, or even up to a 1/2 cup to kind of bring a little bit more liquid. But we haven't had that problem getting to pressure. But that's a trick you can do most times with most recipes if you're having a hard time getting it to pressure. So we're gonna lock this, we're gonna seal it, and
I'm gonna do the dishes.
we are going to put this under high pressure for 20 minutes. So you can use the poultry setting if you want to. I'll just go on and use it. It just puts it under high pressure. And then we are going to add the time to it to do 20 minutes. And it is going to start. We're going to let this naturally release for 15 minutes, and then we will be back.
In 3, 2, 1. And the time is come and gone, and then it kept going because she was outside working, and I was practicing for a gig this weekend, and so we didn't have to worry about the natural or the any quick releasing or anything. It happened all naturally.
We wanted it to naturally release for 15 minutes, but
we did it for 24. So
yes.
Look at that.
So this is what it looks like when you first get it. So the next step you can do is lay it out on a cookie sheet. We've lined it with...
You could totally eat it just like it is right now if you
yeah,
want to.
yeah, but if you want the skin to be a little bit crispy, then what you're going to do is you're just going to broil it in your oven a little bit on each side. I wouldn't advise putting this on a grill. People have asked us that before. The problem with trying to put it on the grill is it's so tender, they'll fall apart on the grill.
And chicken, naturally, with the heat, will stick to a grill, and you'll just be pulling bones off and burning your meat and skin.
Yeah. So these are very, very, very tender.
They smell so good.
They
oh
do
my
smell
gosh.
good. Oh, and see, that one just fell apart on me. What you can also do if you want to, before you put them in the broiler, is we can brush a little bit more of this garlic butter salt on there to help things crisp up. I had one fall apart on me.
That's okay. I'll eat that one now. I'm serious. I am so hungry now. That smells so good.
Yeah.
That garlic really comes through. The cilantro. You can smell, I'm starting to smell that red pepper in there too, and it was just a little bit that we put in there.
Yeah, and I will say, like, dried cilantro to me does not taste like,
There's the part that fell apart.
does not taste like fresh cilantro. It doesn't have that strong flavor. We can just drizzle a little of this over everything. Do you
Use a
wanna...
ladle.
Oh, we can.
I can get it. You'll be spooning for days.
Yeah. Here.
Go ahead.
I gotta record it as well. We're
Yeah.
just taking some of this butter sauce and just giving it a little bit more moisture before I put it under that broiler.
Speaking of moisture,
Oopsie.
I better zoom.
You could do this with a brush too, but because this isn't like thick barbecue sauce, the ladle kind of gives it to you more.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do just a little bit more, and we're gonna pop this in our broiler. You're gonna want to watch this. This is not something that you go, oh, I'm gonna go get the mail while
Don't
this
go
is...
practice for a gig while this is going on.
No, don't leave Mikey in attendance. Honey. Hang on.
Oh. So, anyway, we had to take all of our dishes and spoons and glasses and silverware, everything that was in the kitchen, we had to take it out of the kitchen because dust was everywhere from a project that I was doing in the house. We'll see that. Here, look, our new floor.
It's probably dirty.
That's okay.
Watch
Floors
out.
are dirty. But anyway, one of the things I had to do was re-season her cast iron skillets, and so I re-seasoned them, and then I forgot to take them back out of the oven. So she's going to remove those extremely hot skillets right now while we tell you my favorite joke. Are you ready? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ah,
Who?
Werewolves of London.
Do what?
You know, Warren Zevon, Werewolves of London. Ah, ooh, werewolves. It was a joke. I saw it on the internet. I thought it'd be funny. Anyway, we're going to pop these in the broiler, and we're just going to watch them. We're not going to go anywhere, but so that you don't have to sit there and watch us watch chicken broil, we're just going to show it to you like this in 3, 2, 1. And that took all of maybe 4 or 5 minutes. We did 2.5 minutes on one side, and then she flipped them over, and then bring them on out, Mama. Show these people what they're missing in our house right now.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at that. See how that got all browned up there? That butter just browned that chicken right up.
Get me a plate
bubbly.
for you, and I'll give you the one that broke.
I get the broken one. There you go.
Alright, I'll let you taste test. Oh, it's just falling all kinds apart. Let you taste test that one while I plate the others.
I don't think I should use my fingers with this. It's a little hot. Oh, that fork goes right through that. That is super hot. So it's hot from coming out of the pot, and then we put it in the broiler, so it got it super hot.
Yes, but adding that liquid on top helps the broiler not dry out the chicken while the while it browns up the skin.
Because it's got the butter in it, it gets it crispy.
Yep. We think. And this is low carb too, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Like I said, if you don't have an electric pressure cooker, you can still do this. Same recipe, same flavors in the crock pot.
Holy moly.
Are you going to share some of that?
Nope, you got a bunch of legs over there.
I gotta go take a picture of this.
Well, you can take a picture of this. You know, we used all that garlic. It's not over garlic.
No. It's just, it has a really nice buttery flavor. It's really good.
Over a bed of pasta with marinara sauce.
Yeah.
Would definitely make it not low carb.
I was gonna say, or you could enjoy it with a side of our roasted broccoli or our bacon fried Brussels sprouts.
Or a bed of pasta with marinara. Or by itself. It's just that good. Oh my god. You want to tell them goodbye because I'm still eating.
If you guys enjoyed this recipe, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe and become a member of our slow cooking family.
Go ahead. I'm just going to make them feel jealous.
Don't burn yourself. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, just click the bell down below. We call that
Dingling.
But whatever you do, we hope you
Laugh often.
eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Hey, you want a bite before we go? You can't have none. So were you mad at me when I destroyed your kitchen?
Absolutely.
Well, here. You should do this.
What?
Now you can be super mad.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny,